Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 10th NCERT chapter 6 triangles. So here today we'll continue the exercise 6.3. Question number 3. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at a point O. Using the similarity criteria, you will prove OA upon OC equal to OB by OD. This is given in question number 9 and 10 of exercise 6.2 also. Thereby BPT we have proved. Here you are proving this. It is a very simple theorem, figure ABCD. AB is parallel to CD. You want to prove OA upon OC, OB upon OD. So these two triangles you want to prove similar. Very easy, by similarity, no construction at all. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, AOB equal to COD, vertically opposite, and this angle is equal to this angle by alternate interior angles because AB is parallel to CD. So by double A similarity, triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. So first 2 upon first 2 is equal to second 2 upon second 2, OB upon OD by CPST. Hence proved. First 2 upon first 2, second 2 upon second 2. Easily you have proved. So question number 3 of this you are seeing. It is given, a figure is given. In this figure, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR, where angle 1 equal to angle 2. It is given. You want to prove triangle PQS similar to 2QR. So here I have drawn the figure. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 first of all, then this side is equal to this side. Opposite side of equal angles. Opposite side of equal angles you will get. Now you will prove these things are given and you want to prove PQS. So you take the PQS and TQR, two triangles separately. Q is common in both, angle 1 equal to angle 1. QR upon QS is equal to QT by PR, it is given, but PR can be replaced by QP. PR is equal to PQ. PR is equal to PQ because of opposite side of equal angle in triangle PQR. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, the PQR is equal to PQ, opposite side of equal angles are equal. So at the place of PR you write QP, you are getting this upon this is equal to this upon this. So SAS similarity, you are getting triangle PQS similar to TQR, hence proved. Question number 4 you will see. Question number 4 is given over for question number 5. In question number 5, S and T are the 2 points PR, QR of triangle PQR. Angle P equal to RTS. Prove that RPQ similar to RTS. So you will see, I have drawn the figure PQR and I have taken the PR and QR. PR and QR 2 point S and T such that this angle is equal to this angle, it is given. Angle P equal to RTS. Now this small triangle and this big triangle you take. What is RPQ and RTS? RPQ and RTS. What is to prove that you write with the end? Angle R equal to angle R common. Separate figure I have drawn. Angle R equal to angle R common. Angle P is equal to RTS, it is given. Angle P is equal to this angle, it is given. So by double A similarity, triangles are similar. RPQ similar to RTS. RPQ similar to RTS. Not RST because T is equal to P. So name will be according to the equal parts. Hence proved. It is hence. Question number 6 is given in figure. There is this figure ABC. Triangle ABE and ACD are congruent, it is given. ADE and ABC you want to prove similar. What is given congruent? ABE, question number 6. This one. Triangle ABE congruent to triangle ABE congruent to ACD. You want to prove triangle ADE similar to ABC. Very simple, because it is a congruent, these two triangles. So this side AB equal to AC by CPCT and AE is equal to AD by CPCT, angle A is common. So equals divide by equals, then the results are also equal, axiom. So in triangle now you take ADE and ABEC. This is equal to this already and this is equal to this. So AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC because equals are equal. And angle A is common in both. So what similarity? SAS similarity you are getting, and triangle ADE similar to ABC. ADE similar to ABC, hence proved. Question number 7 is given. A figure is given this. It is a figure ABC. There is a C and AD are altitudes. AD and C are no. Question number 7. In the question number 7, in figure 6.38, where is figure? This. Yes. What is given? AD and C are ABC and each other at P. Altitudes. These are altitudes means 90 degree. You want to prove these 4. All 4 have separate figures. Very easy. I have drawn the figure in triangle ABC. AD is altitude, CE is altitude intersecting at P. It is altitude. Altitude means makes 90 degree. So you will take these 2 triangles. Very simple. All will double A. 1 equal to 2 vertically opposite. It is 90. So triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP by double A. Second part. In the second part, ABD and CBE. ABD and CBE. So this triangle I have taken. This line I am not drawing. It is a common. This is 90, double A again. You are getting by double A, it is similar. Third part, AEP. AEP and ADB. ADB I am taking and this line. So in this part it is a common angle and one is 90. So AEP similar to ADB by double A. Again by double A. Fourth part, AD now what is given? PD. P, where is the P? PDC and BEC. Here C is common, both the end points, angle C is common. One is 90 degree, this angle. So by double A, again this triangle is similar to this. According name, equal part. You can write CDP, then here you will write CEB. What you want. And then fifth part is given. Fourth part. Only 4 parts are here. Question number 8. Question number 8 is given. E is a point on produced AD of a parallelogram ABCD. BE intersects CD at F so that AB is similar to CFB. Question number 8. First you draw a parallelogram ABCD and AD produced, then join BE. AD produced and join BE afterwards. You are getting a triangle which name is ABE, big triangle, and this name is CFB. CFB. You want to prove this. So ABE and CFB very common. I have drawn the figure separately. I have drawn the figure ABE and CFB. Angle A is equal to angle C. Why? Opposite angle of parallelograms are equal. Because this line is parallel to this line, so it is a transversal. So this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. So here I have written separate. Angle ABE is equal to angle CFB, alternate interior angle. So again by double A your triangle is similar. Question number 9 is given. Figure is given here. 2 right triangles AMP and ABC. 2 right triangles. In the figure is given. Question number 9. You want to prove these 2. So very easy. This is 90, this is 90. ABC 90 at B. AMP 90 at P. P lies on produced AB. P lies on produced AB. You want to prove ABC similar to AMP. Angle A is common in both. Separate figure I have drawn. This is 90, it is also given. and then double A similarity, ABC similar to AMP, hence proved. Second part, CA upon PA, then very easy by CPST, CA AC first last is equal to last two AC upon MP according to the corresponding part of the triangle you are getting. It is a CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle. Question number 10. Question number 10 has no figure, but you want to draw. There is a two figure, ABC and FEG, two triangles are similar. You want to prove these two, where CD and GH are angle bisectors. Draw the figure according to given condition. What is given condition? Triangles ABC similar to FEG such that CD and GH are angle bisector of angle C and angle G, which meets the AB at D and EF at H. You want to prove these two. CDGH, ACFG. CDGH and ACFG is the part of these two triangles. It means first of all you prove these two triangles similar. And before this you will get, because these two triangles are similar, ABC similar to FEG. So angle ACB equal to FG by corresponding part of the similar triangle means this angle is equal to this angle. It is given by CPST. So half of this will be also equal. And what is the half? Angle 1 equal to 3 or 2 equal to 4. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Both are because the CD and GH are the bisector of angles. I have taken, it is equation number 1. Now first part. First part, for the proof of the first part, you want the two triangle. One name is ACD. One name is ACD. ACD, where angle is 1, 2 is given. Another is given FHG. FGH. FGH. So here this angle is equal because, and it is equal, you have proved by 1. So angle A is equal to angle F because of CPST. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4 because of we have proved here. So by double A similarity both are similar. If it is similar, then CD by GH, first 2 upon first 2 is equal to last 2 upon last 2. So AC by FG you have got, hence proved. Second part is given the second triangle DCB. Second part is given like this, DCB. DCB. Here is the angle 1, and you are getting this part which is given HGE. HGE, it is given 2. Okay. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle B is equal to angle E. So by double A both the triangles are similar. And the third part of this is same what I have proved in the first part. DCA and HGF. DCA and HGF, which I have proved in the first one. ADC and FHG. ADC and FGH. This angle is equal to this, and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So both are similar. That's all for today, and the rest part of the exercise I will explain in the next lecture. Thanks.